Unit 7, the last major unit in English grammar this semester. You have persevered to the end, and I'm proud of you for doing so. In this unit, your last major writing assignment is to write an argument essay. This is probably the most common type of essay you'll be writing in your tenure at Level College. Certainly you'll be writing an argument essay, an extended essay called a research paper in Research and Writing, and again in senior seminar. So this Unit 7 writing section is very, very important because this will be the type, probably the most predominant type of writing that you'll be doing with us at Level College. As you know, the point of an argument essay is to take a position and to support it with facts, with credible examples, and with expert opinion. Not just your own opinion, but with the opinion of other people that are credible to make decisions about the positions that you're taking. And so again, as we've been doing, your rough draft and your outline will be due in week 1 of this unit, and then your final copy will be due in week 2. Again, that feedback on this unit especially will be really important because that argument essay will really be the thing that will propel you into the rest of your writing classes here in Level College. You do have a lot of work that we're going to be finishing up in the grammar and mechanics section. It sounds like a lot, but the lessons in your textbook are very short, but there is a lot of information, and so you're going to need to stick with it as we finish out Unit 7. But within that grammar and mechanics section, we're going to be learning how to distinguish between whether we use an adverb or an adjective in our writing. There's a big difference between the two. We're going to be looking at the use of misplaced and dangling modifiers. And those can be simple things like putting the word only in the wrong place in a sentence, or by having a phrase that's not anywhere near the noun that it modifies. We're going to be looking at parallelism within writing, and that would be if you're comparing 2 or more things in a sentence, or if you're listing things in a sentence. They need to be structured grammatically consistently so that you have all adverbs in the list or all noun phrases in the list, that sort of thing. We're also going to be looking at the proper use of capitalization, which tends to be a problem for reluctant writers who tend to want to capitalize every noun in a sentence, and we certainly don't do that for academic writing. And then finally, we're going to be looking at sentence variety. What can we do in our writing so that it doesn't lull the reader into sleep? If all of your sentences are structured in the exact same way, it's kind of like when you're taking a drive down Interstate 10 on the panhandle of Florida and you hit that section with all the bumps in it, and the regular rhythmic bumping can put you to sleep. It's the same thing for a reader when all of your sentences are structured the same way. So we're going to look at ways that we can make our writing have variety. As we've been doing for this whole unit, this whole semester, you'll be completing the learning curve activities related to those grammar lessons by the end of week 1. And then you'll have quizzes, 7 or 8 quizzes that you'll need to complete by the end of week 2 of the unit. By the end of Unit 7, you have completed all of the necessary work for the course except for your final exam. And I'll talk about that in Unit 8. Bye-bye.